Take this nonsense again. I will not take this nonsense again from him. I want to know who I am. I am old enough to know about myself, Mama. People have been calling me bastards here and there, and I cannot take it anymore. I want to know who I am.
I don't know how I'm going to start telling this story. I don't know what to say to you. I don't know how to start.
Mama, start from anywhere. Start anywhere. Start anywhere. I will listen.
25 years ago.
Mama, are you okay? Are you okay?
Is this not the young man who knocked Masinachiku down, almost killed her, and ran away from the hospital?
He's the one. Oh, he saved my life too.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.